All right, so what you're going to do is get out The Life of a Frog little packet thing that Miss Koo delivered, and you are going to take a short little test or quiz on some of the stuff we've covered this week. So I'm going to read all the questions. You can have mom do it, dad do it, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, whoever's around read these questions to you. I'm not expecting you to be able to read all of these questions. So we will go ahead and start. Number 1. He will blank his mom carry the bags. Which of these makes the most sense? He will with his mom carry the bags, he will help his mom carry the bags, or he will when his mom carry the bags. Bubble in whatever answer you think it is. Number 2. It was a blank cold night. It was a little cold night. It was a very cold night. It was a not cold night. Number 3. They will blank to the park. They will after to the park. They will come to the park. Or they will win to the park. Number 4. She is blank friend. She is to friend. She is with friend. Or she is my friend. Number 5. They blank the birds fly by. Is it the first one? They saw the birds fly by. They look the birds fly by. Or they few the birds fly by. Fly away, I'm sorry. All right, and then this part is phonics. So that part was high frequency words. Those 5 high frequency words we got on Monday. Phonics is our blends. So number 6 says the classroom had a flag. Which word has the same sound as the full in flag? And I usually like to tell my friends, if we're looking for a full, our word should have that same beginning letters as flag does. So let's take a look. Farm, few, or flake. Number 7. We are taking a trip. Which word has the same sound as the tr, the tr in trip? Trade, tape, team. Number 8. He played the drum. Which word has the same sound as the letters dr, which makes dur in drum? Dull, drink, dark. The fox ran across the field. Which word has the same sound as the X in fox? Mix, fold, or fan? Number 10. We put the clothes in a box. Which word has the same sound as the X in box? Big, tax, hop. For this one, you are going to listen to someone read you this story. I will go ahead and read it too, but you might want to read it a couple times. So if you want to rewind and listen to it again, or have mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, big brother, whoever, read it to you again, that would be awesome. So it says, from lamb to sheep. Wool comes from sheep. Let's learn more about sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. When a lamb is born, it is very small. Its mother takes care of it. As a lamb grows up, it gets more wool on its body. A lamb's teeth change as it grows up. When a lamb is born, it has 8 baby teeth. The baby teeth are in the bottom of its mouth. There are no teeth in the top part of its mouth. When a lamb is about 1 year old, it loses 2 baby teeth. Then the lamb gets 2 new adult teeth. Something happens when a lamb is 1 year old. It is not called a lamb anymore. Now it is called a sheep. When a sheep is about 4 years old, all its baby teeth are gone. Its adult teeth in its entire mouth. It has adult teeth in its entire mouth. Soon, it wants to lose some adult teeth. Soon, it starts to lose some adult teeth. You can tell how old a sheep is by looking at its teeth. When a lamb grows up, it goes through many changes. So we're going to look for the main idea. It says, what is the main idea of this selection or book? a lamb is called a sheep when it is 1 year old. Is that what the whole story is about? When a sheep is 4 years old, it has adult teeth. Was that the whole thing, or was that just one detail of the whole story? Or is it a lamb goes through many changes as it grows up? Bubble in the best answer. Remember, the main idea is the whole story, not just 1 or 2 details. The main idea of paragraph 3 is, let's go ahead and read paragraph 3 again. A lamb's teeth changes as it grows. When a lamb is born, it has 8 baby teeth. The baby teeth are in the bottom of its mouth. There are no teeth in the top part of its mouth. When a lamb is about 1 year old, it loses 2 baby teeth. Then the lamb gets 2 new adult teeth. So the main idea, a baby sheep is called a lamb. Was that mentioned in this whole section? A lamb's teeth changes as it grows. It did mention something about baby teeth and adult teeth. Or you can tell how old a sheep it is by looking at its wool. Okay, so which of those was in that paragraph? Only that paragraph. Some of those things were mentioned in other paragraphs, but what was the one mentioned in paragraph 3? You can read it as many times as you need to. The main idea of paragraph 5 is, okay, so let's read paragraph 5. When a sheep is about 4 years old, all its baby teeth are gone. It has adult teeth in its entire mouth. Soon it starts to lose adult teeth too. You can tell how old a sheep is by looking at its teeth. So a sheep loses teeth and it gets more teeth? A sheep has adult teeth when it is 4 years old? Or you can tell a sheep's age by looking at its teeth. Pick the best one that you think it is. And then the last page, which of the following is an important detail from paragraph 2? Let's go back to paragraph 2. A baby sheep is called a lamb. When a lamb is born, it is very small. Its mother takes care of it. As a lamb grows up, it gets more wool on its body. So it says, let's learn about sheep. As a lamb grows up, it gets more wool on its body, or soon it starts to lose its adult teeth. So color in your favorite one. All right, draw and label a picture to show the difference between a baby lamb and an adult lamb. So you can draw a little tiny picture if you would like. I usually don't count this one towards your grade, but for this one, I am going to. So make sure you draw what the difference is. You could draw how much wool it has or how many teeth it has. This last part you can do if you would like to. But it says, think of something you know that grows and changes. On a separate piece of paper, draw and write about what you know that grows and changes. We have been over a bunch of things this week. We've been over a chicken. We're going to go over a frog this morning and just a bunch of other things. So you can draw that if you would like to. Make sure you include a title with your drawing. And that is it for, yeah, that's it. All right, cool. Thank you guys. Have a good weekend.